अवार्ड दिया जाता है तो वो एक सराहनीय हो जाता है। तो अपने देश में जो अवार्ड मिलते हैं उसको कब इतनी विश्वासार्हता प्राप्त होगी, ऐसा आपको लगता है?
As they say, the grass is always greener, क्योंकि आप यहाँ हैं तो आपको पता नहीं कि वहाँ क्या होता है। तो जिस किस्म की कंट्रोवर्सीज यहाँ होती है वहाँ मेरे ख्याल से कभी कभी इससे भी ज़्यादा भी होती है। कि इस साल भी ऑस्कर में बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सीज हुई हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं देयर हैज़ बीन सर्टन they've not been fair, they've not been fair to the, it's not been that diverse in their choice of nominations. तो ये सब चीज़ें तो चलती रहती हैं, लॉबिंग होती है, ये होता है वगैरह वगैरह। पर अल्टीमेटली आप देख लीजिए, मेरे ख्याल से कहीं ना कहीं इस साल मुझे अवार्ड मिला है, मगर मुझे कितने सालों के बाद मिला है। मैंने, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं नहीं चाहता था कि मुझे अवार्ड मिले। तो जी भी मुझे मेरे ख्याल से पता नहीं, मुझे याद ही नहीं मुझे कब लास्ट अवार्ड मिला था। तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो जेन्युइन होगा ना कि क्यों मुझे नहीं मिला। मैं काम हर फिल्म में अच्छा करता हूँ, मुझे बता दीजिए कि कौन सी फिल्म मैंने अच्छा काम नहीं किया, शायद सबने अच्छा काम नहीं किया, या जितने भी हमारे कलाकार हैं, ये अमित जी हैं या कितने बड़े बड़े जो कलाकार हैं, वो हर साल अच्छा काम करते हैं मगर हर साल हमें अवार्ड तो मिलता नहीं है। तो कहीं ना कहीं देयर इज सर्टन काइंड ऑफ इंटेग्रिटी इन द अवार्ड्स एंड और जैसे कि कहते हैं कि हमें उसी, क्योंकि आप वहाँ लॉस एंजलिस में नहीं हैं और आप वो अमेरिका में नहीं हैं, और जहाँ ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं वहाँ भी हर किस्म की कंट्रोवर्सीज होती है हर अवार्ड से पहले। कुछ जो लोग जीतते हैं उनको लगता है नहीं ये जेन्युइन है, जो नहीं जीतते हैं लगता है कुछ गड़बड़ है।
So Shahid over here to your right. Firstly, I will request you to just take this question on a positive note. Karan Johar, he's just going to host this award function along with you.
He's going to host.
Yes. He's considered as one of the most intellectual filmmaker, director, producer.
Intellectual filmmakers.
Yeah, yes. He's there. Recently, just he spoke on the intolerant issue. So, as an actor, as a protagonist, do you think that actors, they are not that much acclaimed intellectually to speak on some of the social causes, whatever like?
So you're telling me if somebody has, for example, a lack of...
I'm just asking with you, do you think that actors or the...
I understand, I'm responding to what you're saying, if you allow me to speak. I don't think that you need to be intellectual or even educated or whatever. I think you have the right to speak because this is something which is about human rights. I think everybody has the right to speak about it. And I don't think that anybody would consider themselves inadequate to speak about an issue which involves everybody in the entire country at large. But I think certain people feel the need to express their views and certain people feel the need not to express their views. But I'm sure everybody has a view on it. And having said that, I think Karan is somebody who's always spoken his mind and always been out there and always said what he felt like. And so he felt the need to express it. It's as simple as that.
शाहिद, आपके सामने क्योंकि वैलेंटाइन डे भी आने वाला है, तो क्या शानदार प्लान होने वाला है आपके?
यार सब तफरी वाले क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे पास ही सबने रिक्वेस्ट दी हुई है, चिट्स लेके बैठे हो तुम। ओहो प्रिया जी, आपका सवाल तो रह गया, वैलेंटाइन डे। हाँ, वैलेंटाइन, वो सवाल पूरा नहीं होता, आप पूछिए सर जी। वैलेंटाइंस डे पे क्या होगा?
कुछ शानदार प्लान किया है आपने?
अनिल जी, आप ये Sonakshi is saying this is the best question. I think Sonakshi must answer it because best things should come to you. You deserve the best things. So here's the best question. I am a married man. मेरा छोड़ तू अपना बता. What are you doing?
Sir.
हाँ जी, क्या?
What are your plans for Valentine's Day?
Well, when is it? अच्छा, 14th. No. Neerja's releasing on 19th February. 19th February. So 14th. Obviously, it's a Valentine's Day. I'll take my wife out and be nice to her. And you're supposed to give her a gift or something. I'll take my wife. I'll be nice to her. And you're supposed to take a gift or something. I should have said that. I'll be shot dead when I get back home. But yeah. We'll do wonderful lovey-dovey things. Me on my own and Anilji on his own, and I don't know about Sonakshi and Kriti. हैं? आप ऐसे करो, आवाज नहीं आ रही, जोर से बोलो।
आप कुछ
पटना, रितु here.
Hi, Ritu from Patna.
सोनाक्षी, आपका एल्बम आया है स्कॉलिक।
एल्बम नहीं, वो गाना था।
Whatever, आपका गाना था, आपकी आवाज थी ना?
जी।
हाँ, तो वो
एल्बम और गाने में
हाँ हाँ
फर्क
तो
होता है।
उसके लिए मैं आपसे वही लाइव सुनना चाहती हूँ आपके आवाज़ में. कैन यू प्लीज?
I can please, but here,
या वन लाइन ओनली.
let the event get over. I'll sing for you after that. I promise you.
Hi Shahid, Preeti from Jaipur.
Hello, Preeti. Everybody's from a different city today. I'm very intimidated by this. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the diversity.
Okay. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है
जी.
कि जो वल्गर वर्ड्स हैं वो एक टाइम तक सिर्फ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वहीं तक सीमित रहते थे. अब वही
आप
चीज़ें
फिर से पूछे, मैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आया आप क्या कह रही हैं.
जो वल्गर वर्ड्स होते हैं वो
Vulgar words,
या,
हाँ जी.
वो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन या कॉमेडियन शोज तक ही सीमित रहते थे. अब वो चीज़ें और इस तरह के अवार्ड फंक्शंस में भी आने लगे हैं.
हमने कहाँ एक भी vulgar word यूज किया है यहाँ पे.
सर आप पहले एक बार पूरा क्वेश्चन सुन लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
जी. तो इस तरह की चीज़ें क्योंकि हम जीत सीने अवार्ड रहने
that okay or not, I think was a
Well, I personally would not support the use of vulgar language. I am personally not very comfortable with it. और अब तक आप अब भी upset हैं. I don't know. I think the guy next to us stole the mic or something. But नहीं, हम vulgar words नहीं use करेंगे. आप upset मत होइए. अब तक मैंने कभी use नहीं किए हैं और आगे की भी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि हम ना करें. और आपका सवाल बहुत valid है कि I think there should be a little bit of सेंसिटिविटी एक्सरसाइज या एक फिल्टर होना चाहिए. और आई थिंक वो मोरालिटी का फिल्टर है, तो बहुत पर्सनल चीज़ है. कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा ओपनली बात करने में कंफर्टेबल फील होता है, दे फाइंड इट वेरी ह्यूमरस. कुछ लोगों को वो चीज़ें अनकंफर्टेबल लगती हैं. तो आई थिंक इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन विच होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर एवरीबडी. आई थिंक एवरी इंडिविजुअल हैज़ टू फाइंड इट फॉर देमसेल्व्स. एंड आई थिंक वी हैव द राइट काइंड ऑफ सेंसर बोर्ड्स wherever required कि वो गलत चीज़ टेलीकास्ट ना हो. बट at Zee Cine Awards we will speak very nice, sweet, lovely, wonderful words and also try to entertain you.
Hi Sonakshi and Kirti Bhavna here from Mumbai.
Hi, hi, hi.
I'm from Zee News. How excited you guys are for Zee Cine Awards, and आप और कीर्ति क्या कुछ करने वाली है performances, what all songs, क्या कुछ
I'm
plan
actually really excited because if there's anything that I love to do the most in my profession is to perform on stage, and I think it's a different kind of energy that comes into me when I'm on stage. So I'm really, really excited, and yes, I'm going to do something different in this act as well. It's going to be a lot of the popular songs, a lot of the songs that you all love, and what I'm also really looking forward to is his performance the most. Our choreographer, Marzi, he came to my house right after he went to his, and he had so much energy in him. I was like, Marzi, what have you eaten? And come. He's like, I went to AK's house. He's got so much energy. I'm fully pumped up. I was like, bas, ho gaya. Nobody's going to look at us now that he's performing. So that.
ये ऐसे ही मेरे शो को हाइप कर रहे हैं, मेरे आइटम को हाइप कर रहे हैं, मेरे एंट्री को
Item, you're doing some item
ताकि इनकी
number.
तारीफ और मेरी तारीफ नहीं हो.
अरे
यार
आपके
जितना
item
सोचा था
number-
उतना है नहीं. ऐसा मत करो यार. Don't hype it so much.
Please, you know very well.
Sorry,
on
that was
your
a question to
performance.
me also. I didn't
Yeah.
realize. It's actually my first Zee Cine Award that I'm even attending, so I'm actually very excited for that too. Of course, dancing is something that I have always loved, even as a kid. So it's something that really makes me happy. And again, this act is going to be very special, also because it's my first act at Zee Cine Awards. I can't reveal what I'm doing. I've been given strict instructions not to tell what exactly I'm doing. But yeah, you'll have fun. I can promise you that.
We'll take one more question.
Hi, Sonakshi.
Hi.
I wanted to ask all of y'all, what makes Zee Awards different from the other awards for y'all individually?
Individually, for me, I think I have a special connection with them because I mean, I've been associated with them right from my very first film. I got my debut award over here, and I just think they hold a little more place in my heart because at a time when my performance in Lutera was snubbed by everyone else, they respected that and awarded me for the critics. They gave me the Critics Award for the Best Actress. So that means a lot to me. And so that's why they're a little bit more special than the others.
Thank you.
I think Z as a family has been probably the oldest when it comes to GC channels. And Z Cine Awards, I mean, not only in India, but it has a huge global reach. I've been watching it as a kid, and yeah, for me, it's, it's special also because, the transparency that they have, the system that they have, I think that's, I believe it's very fair. So yeah, that's all.
Anilji.
Well, to be honest with you, all awards, to me, it becomes an opportunity to meet the entire film fraternity. It gives me an opportunity to personally interact with you. Like, for example, if I wasn't involved in the Z Awards, I wouldn't get the opportunity to interact with all of you all and, and the questions which are asked. There are certain relevant questions where you learn so much. And of course, Z becomes special because I have a certain relationship with Subhashji and since many, many years. Matter of fact, Z as a channel was launched I was shooting for Roop Ki Rani Choro Ka Raja, and there was we were shooting in famous Mahalakshmi studio, so they wanted an air-conditioned venue to launch the Z channel. And I remember they were asking us that will it be possible to cancel your shooting for a day so that they can push the so I said fine. I said we will not shoot for a day, and I'm very happy and very proud that